called standard deviation. All right, so a lot of times what happens is you have, say, a set of points. Let's call them X for now, okay? And those values of X could be anything. So maybe 12, 2, 4. Okay. So for the standard deviation, you need a thing called the mean, right? The mean is the average, right? Now, on the computer, when you go and use this, you actually have to use the command average, and then you select all the information that you want that average for. Now, do you remember what the equation for our standard deviation was? No, our variance. So our variance equation looks something like this. Sigma x squared is equal to this, right? Now I'm just going to paste that in here for later. So what that means is we're going to take our mean, our x value, and subtract our mean value. And here's how you do it. You go equals, and then you go this minus. Now you click this cell here, right? But in order to get the cell to be fixed, you have to hit F, I think it's F3 or is it F2? You have to make this $D and $4. So what that does is it fixes the reference value for this cell. So you see how it says $3, $A, whatever? You have to use that. Now, in order to get the difference for all those, you literally just have to copy that down. And you notice how I did that. All I did was I selected the cell that has the equation in it, and then I clicked the bottom right toggle of the box and pulled it down. So now we have to calculate x minus the mean squared. Because if you see on this equation here, you have x minus xi, x minus the mean all squared. So we're going to take whatever is in this column and square it. You could always do this by hand, right? And then we have to total all that information in the end. Total x minus x mean, total x minus mean squared is literally going to be just this. All this stuff here, select, hit enter. So now you have 890.09. So here is the variance. The variance is that thing called s squared. So what you do is you basically take 8909, whoa, not 8909. You click here, and then we divide by the number of points that are in the set, and we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Divide by 11. There is your variance, and then here is your standard deviation. And all we do is take the square root of that. Square root of number. And that's it, right? So you can do these by hand, but if you wanted to, you could do this on the computer if you wanted, right? It's up to you. If you feel more comfortable doing this by hand, do it by hand. I have no problem with that.